So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adu here, and actually at YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the week beginning December 27th to the 2nd of January. I'm using this midnight kit from PaperCandyArt, and I've paired it with the sparkly rose gold foil from the Planet Pixie Co. So I'm super excited about this spread in particular because it is the last spread in my 2021 planner, and it's also the New Year spread. I have extended on every single day, which was a lot, and I had to get some extra underlays, but there was a lot of memories that I needed to note down. I did kind of run out of boxes because this was a mini kit, but that's okay. So this week I was 31 weeks pregnant, and according to my sidebar, my baby was the size of a coconut. I did not colour block this week just because these colours were quite neutral, and I just felt like it didn't warrant a colour blocking moment, which is okay. I had lots of overlay boxes. I struggled to choose what to use. I also planned this week twice, so at the end I'll show you guys a bit of a sneak peek of my 2022 planner with the first spread in that planner, because I didn't film that because it was the same as this for the most part, just a different kit. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So yes, let's get started with the day by day. So this was a lot. So starting with Monday, I used a sleep mask sticker from the kit and a sleeping script from the kit to note sleeping in. And then marked having a lazy day with a couch sticker from the kit as well. I really love this PaperCandyArt kit doodles because they always come in handy. I then used a planner sticker from the kit and a binge sticker from the kit to note a plan with me binge. So as you can see, I put too many stickers up there because I forgot I had so much space, but then I quickly realised I had an extender, so I did need to squeeze everything together. Next I marked playing with stickers with a script from SPC and a sticker sheet sticker. It could be from SPC, it felt a bit glossy. I then used this planner sticker from PaperCandyArt to note memory planning. The memory planning script is a custom script from Carly Plans. I marked fun planning with the Whimsical Cat Studio Girl planning and a fun plan script from also Carly Plans. So when I mark memory planning, I mean writing down in my planner or now in my notes, my phone, what happened throughout the week. And fun planning is when I plan for myself in my other planner. I don't plan on the camera. I don't have a fun planner this year. I have a memory planner for my son, which I do by myself. But yeah, that was what that means, in case I didn't mention it, even though it's the end of the year now, so it doesn't really matter. Then I used this controller sticker from Carly Plans and a Babe Gaming custom script from Mick Plans to note my husband gaming. Then I marked having a cuddle with him with this couple sticker from PMD Stickers and a cuddle script from a shop that I can't put my finger on at the moment. I think it's Happy Designs Co. Happy Stickers Design Co. Something like that. Okay, on Tuesday I used this wedding sticker from Mick Plans to note we had been engaged for 2 years on this day. I used a pillow icon from the kit to note it was a bank holiday, and then I used this grocery sticker and grocery script from the foil bundle to note doing some grocery shopping. I used this hair girl and an appointment script from the foil bundle to note that I had a hair appointment. I used this taco sticker from the kit to note if my cousin made me food, or that hair girl is from Simply a Mess. I then used this house sticker to note going to my mum's house. I then used this Happy Meal sticker from the kit and a Happy Meal script from Kinsey's Creation to note getting some Happy Meal at my mum's house. I think it was my US box actually. I then used this planner icon from the foil bundle to note a plan with me binge. I marked my YouTube binge with a YouTube play button sticker from Carly Plans and a YouTube binge script from Mick Plans. Then used this TV icon from the kit to mark watching 101, which is in the wrong place because it happened while I was doing my hair appointment, but that's okay. On to Wednesday, I marked my husband going back to work with a laptop icon from the kit Then marked sleeping in with a bed sticker from the kit and a sleeping script from Make Plans. I marked having some cramps with this Glam Planner sticker. Kiss Moth, that's her name. I always forget her name. I then marked being really tired with a bed sticker from Kylie Plans. I marked to Plan With Me binge with this planner sticker from the kit. And I marked making e-bikes for my baby shower with a iMac sticker from the kit. And then I marked editing with this edit sticker from Cat Studio, and I put it over the bow. I like to utilize them because I usually run out of boxes, and I especially did with this one because I had so many things to mark. I then marked my husband gaming with a Make Plans duo, custom script and a custom boy character. I then marked planning with this planner stack sticker from what's it called? Papershire, and a plan script from Make Plans. Then marked watching TV with my husband with a TV icon from the foil bundle, and a TV binge script from SBC, and with my love script from Kylie Plans. Moving on to Thursday, I use a laptop icon from the foil bundle to note my husband working. I then use a alarm sticker from the foil bundle to note that I woke up super early, I don't know why. I then use this girl in bed from PMT stickers to note that I was really bored. I thought this sticker kind of marked that really well. I then use this phone icon from Kylie Plans to note speaking to my dad on the phone. I then marked speaking to my brother with another phone icon from the foil bundle. I marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Kinsey's Creation, and then I marked a TV binge with a TV icon from the kit. I marked binge watching YouTube with a YouTube play button from Kylie Plans and a YouTube binge script from Make Plans, and then I used this sticker from Kinsey's Creation to mark playing with stickers with play with stickers custom script, not custom, a play with stickers script from words are hard from Kylie Plans. Okay, moving on to Friday. At the top of Friday, I used this balloon stickers from, what's it called? PMD stickers, and a New Year's Eve script from Rose Colour Days to note that it was Rose Colour. To note that it was New Year's Eve. Then I used a laptop sticker from Olive Studio to note that my husband worked that day, half day. I used a half day script from Rounded Up Plans to note that he worked half day. I then used this paper milk Maru on a pillow to note being really tired, who is surprised, not me. I then used this tea icon from the foil bundle to note getting some tea, having lots of tea. I used a tea please tea please script from Rounded Up Plans. It's on her tea sampler sheet. It's the very British of me to have gotten that sheet. Then used this GP Studio gal to do my husband's hair, and then I used this pregnant girl from Daily Plans code to note my husband gave me a massage, not a foot massage, a back massage. I then used this car sticker from the kit to note that we took an Uber to his aunt's house. I then used this girl diffusing her hair sticker from Paper Doll's Code to note do my hair. Didn't diffuse my hair, I was braiding it, but that happened before actually. I put in the wrong order. I then marked getting food with a pot icon from the kit to note that's why we went to his aunt's house, because she made us some food. I then marked my husband gaming with a Make Plan duo of a boy gaming and a big gaming custom script. I then used a bed sticker from Kylie Plans and a bed early script also from Kylie Plans to note going to bed early. Moving on to Saturday. To mark New Year's Day, I used this friend sticker from Valley and Tuma and a New Year's Day script from Rose Colour Days. And then I marked me and my husband having New Year's kisses with this couple sticker from PMD stickers. I then used a bed sticker to note going back to bed. So I did go to bed early, but then I woke up before the New Year, gave my husband a kiss and went back to bed. I then used this teacup from the kit to note drinking some tea and when I woke up in the morning. And then marked finishing my hair with another girl from Paper Doll's Code. I marked sending messages to family and stuff with a phone from the kit. And then I marked some cuddles with my husband again with another couple sticker. This one is from Make Plans and the cuddle script is from Happy Sticker Designs. or happy design stickers. Then I use this computer sticker from the kit, and I watch shows with Bay custom script from Mick Plaids to binge watching shows with him. I then marked him gaming with a Babe gaming custom script from Mick Plaids and a custom boy from Mick Plaids. I then use this Olive Studio sticker to note another Plan With Me binge. And finally on to Sunday, I'm excited because this is the last bit of this planner. I marked sleeping in with a pillow icon from Kylie Planned and a sleeping script from Make Plans. I then used a teacup sticker from the kit to note that it was a relaxing chill day. We didn't do much. Oh, I forgot what's gonna happen next. I then marked with a squidge sticker from Stick With A Planko that I started to feel ill. Fun, right? I then used this Mixie Cat stuff cat with a planner sticker to note another Plan With Me binge, and we're editing some videos with the movie clapper sticker from the kit and an edit script from somewhere that maybe Rounded Up Plans. I then used this PMD stickers girl watching TV to note binge watching shows with my husband and another custom script from Mick Plans. I then marked him gaming with a custom guy and custom script from Mick Plans. I marked having some cramps with a Joya Plan sticker, and then I marked cuddles with my husband with another couple sticker from PMD stickers and a cuddle script from Happy Sticker Designs. So that was the end of my this video. This was the last spread I did in this 2021 planner. I didn't think I could catch up, but I did. Well, technically I'm not caught up because I still have the 2021 planner, but I've done a lot of that. But I'm just going to be a little bit behind rather than a whole year behind, which is better. So in a second I'm going to show you a wiggle of this planner, and then I will show you the 2022 spread, which is pretty much the same. I just use a different kit from but from the same shop. I believe I did colour block that spread, whereas I didn't colour block this, but I might have not, I don't remember actually. And I can't see it on the screen right now, but I used the same foil bundle just in a different colour. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. Are you sucking your fingers?